Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and the Camo X4 is obviously on the workbench for some more upgrades. This time we're going to install the front link mounts. These are aluminum units. They bolt right into the factory positions, and it's a fairly simple install. Now, we're nearing the end of the option parts that are available for the Camo X4. There are a few other parts we want to talk to you about. That's going to come later in the video, but first, let's get these link mounts installed. The best way to swap out these link mounts is to do each one at a time. Now, we're going to start here with the lower link. First, we're going to remove the screw that holds the link to the mount. This is done using a 2mm hex driver. Next, remove the two screws that secure the mount to the chassis. Remove the stock plastic mount. And now we can install our new aluminum mounts. Make sure that the step faces up towards the chassis. You'll also need 3x12mm machine screws to secure the new blocks to the chassis. Adding thread lock to these screws will help prevent them from backing out. Once the mount is in place, reinstall the link retaining screw. And of course, repeat the process for the 3 remaining mounts. Now, there are some other aluminum option parts for this vehicle, and we've already installed them on another car from the Redcat line. That is the Ducono. The Camo X4 actually shares the same shock tower and caster blocks. We will add a link to this video description so you can see how to install those parts. Links to all the products used in this video can be found in the video description below. And while you're there, please hit that subscribe button. We have a project feature coming up on the Camo X4 you don't want to miss.